Okay guys, in this video I'm going to try to explain the best I can the problem that I had with this baduf cuckoo movement. This lever right here that makes the strike activate on the hour and half hour, it was adjusted too far in. So in the half hour it was making it strike more than one time. And so I had to adjust it up a little bit. You have to use a screwdriver to do that. It's a friction fit on what it rides on, which is, let me get my screwdriver again, is this right here. So, and I will demonstrate that now of how I got, or how the problem is fixed. And let's say this is gonna be the hour, okay. And now will be the half hour. Of course, when you're trying to show somebody something, when you start having problems, I have to do the hour again. And there you have it. As you can tell, it only cuckooed once and a half. I hope that helps you, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.